welcome all YouTubers. And if your channel is monetized, you must have got this email that action is required. Accept new YouTube partner program terms to continuing monetization. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what is this all about. Secondly, I'm going to tell you how you can do it. And third, I'm going to tell you what actually benefits you are going to get it from. So the first thing, you will receive this email. And if you're not receiving this email, if you have not received this email, I'll show you how you can do it further, these steps without receiving this email. So this is, I got this email to my YouTube channel, Tixe Schooling. And it says, as announced in September, we are evolving the YouTube new partner programs, which means they are going to bring the YouTube Shorts into proper monetization terms and policies. So by that, it means the new YouTube Shorts are going to make a lot of more money compared to what they have before said, that they are going to put $5 million, for all the YouTube Shorts that are out there. So this time they are going to properly monetize them and bring in more companies, which means you're going to make a hell lot of money from YouTube Shorts, which you have not previously. So first of all, what you have to do is click on accept the terms. And if you're not seeing your YouTube default app, click on default browser app, and it will bring you directly to YouTube Studio. You just have to wait for a few seconds, and boom, we are on my YouTube Studio channel. So you can see I have these options. So if you're not seeing this page on your YouTube Studio, I'm going to tell you how you can do it if you have not even received the email. So what you have to do is close this app, and I'm going directly from YouTube Studios. So if I open YouTube Studio, so what I have to do, in the lower left, on the lower right corner, you can see an option called Earn. Click on that option, and you will see this on the upper list. It says, action required, accept new terms to stay in the YouTube partner program and start earning Shorts ad revenues, which means this is something new. Already I have other memberships, so I can make a lot of money from those. But I want to make money from this option. All I have to do is click on review and accept. Just gonna click it. And in here, if you read on it, it says, once you accept these new terms and condition, you're enabled to enable new ways to earn, such as Shorts feed ads. So what I have to do is click on review on the base terms. Gonna click on it. If you want to read this whole thing, I'm not gonna read this because it's going to take a lot of time. I accept YouTube because they have changed my life. Thank you, YouTube. And I'm gonna click on accept. And again, we're going to go on to second page, which says watch page terms. You're going to click on review. If you want to read this one, it's okay. If you don't want to read this one, just click on accept and just tick the mark and give it accept. And when you're done with this, just go and submit it. When you submit it, you just have to wait for a few seconds. And it gives you start earning from YouTube Shorts feed ads. So it says you can now turn on Shorts feed monetization to earn from ads and YouTube Premium starting February 1, 2023. So what I'm going to do is not going to do it later. I'm just going to go turn it on. And in here, I'm going to click on earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the short feed. I'm going to just click on turn on and go scroll down and accept it. And boom, accept it again. Gonna wait for a second, let it process. Why don't you accept it, my dear? Okay, we're gonna do it again. Turn on, go back and accept it. If it's not working, we're gonna close the tab and reopen it. Gonna wait for a few seconds. Go back to earn. And in here, we're gonna see Shorts. In here, I'm gonna click on turn on, accept, and click on accept. We're just gonna wait for a few seconds. And boom, we are completely done with this option. Now it says active, which means earn from ads. And you can see there's an active option in there. Earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the Shorts feed. So I'm eligible for this option. So this is how you're going to make directly money from YouTube Shorts, which if you're uploading, because a lot of YouTubes I have seen, they only upload Shorts and they see a lot of subscribers gaining, but they're not making money. And this is a very easy steps to, accept this option. And this is how I done it. And if you find this video really, really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below. Subscribe to this channel. I'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tixe Schooling.